This is the best sandcastle I've ever seen in Fort Lauderdale. This trip. Woo! Simon, what are you building? We had to trap our ogre because she kept killing our castle. Who is that over there, Zach? Baby ogre! Luke's the water filler upper. Simon, what did you say? It's like the ogre can't get out. Let's see. Let's see. What are you doing? That's a perfect baby bumbo, huh? Can you do patty cake? Let's see patty cake. Patty cake, big girls, man. We think a couple of chicken pox showed up this morning. Oh, yucky! No, we don't want to eat that! Whoa. Our wall looks pretty awesome. It keeps crashing though, huh, Ben? This is our view, baby. You're doing what? Yeah, our moat keeps getting ruined. Best daddy ever. Luke, what are you doing up there? That's our hotel right there. Okay, over and out. Roma, say bye-bye. Roma, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.